believe I saw a flicker of movement from the other one over there. I don't know. It's just an after-death spasm, or she's actually awaking. We shall never know. Again. Do you see it? The movement. I see the movement. There it is. She is awoken as well. I guess we solved the mystery of the sleeping girl. They both awoken. They're not dead. Although I think this one suffered intensive brain damage. Speak if you are alive. Yep, the most dumb from sleeping. This is your host, Sarah Voucher, saying...